Well, we have a situation where you see there's almost no water running out of that. But on this side, it's full. It's running over and running down the drive right there. It's going to be stopped up right down in there. So I'm going to see if I can get that unstopped. Well, this creek crossing is stopped up. Let's get a little better look at it. You can see right here on this side, it's plugged up, running over my drive right here. Essentially almost nothing coming out. On that side, it's running over right over here and running down this, washing that out there. So what happens is sticks and stuff get across this, stop that up, and well, it just, with all the leaves and everything, it backs up. So let me get in there with the hoe and see if I can get that opened up. Oh yeah. Now you see what we got over here. It's going now. See how it's creating a bit of a kind of a drain. See right in there. See if we can open that up just a little bit better. Yeah, there it goes. Now look at that. Dude is gushing out of there now. All of this, see the puppies down here watching me. All this backed up water is going to go on down to the pond now. That's what we get, because all of these back in here, all these trees back in here, leaves and limbs and all that stuff get in that. We got a lot of rain yesterday. And it just really, last night got a lot of rain. Buddy, it's draining now. So right here, a little bit. This will stop running over here within the next few minutes. So you can see what it's done washing this out, going down this road. at that. It's flowing now. All right, there we go, man. We do it. Running down that creek, going into the pond down there. Pond sits right down in yonder. Can't quite, these trees are in the way, you can't quite see that, but that's a lot of water coming through there. You see this right here is already slowed down to a trickle where it's overflowing right there. All these leaves and stuff washed up here and piled up there. It gives you an idea how much water this happened from last night. Those leaves piled up, it's about 2 foot high there, or a little better. I'll go stand there by it and you can get an idea how tall those leaves are. See, they come about to my knee. But I go through this on a regular basis where it comes through there and it washes this out, washes my dirt out there, because there's a lot of water that comes down through here. So just about every time that it comes a big rain, we go through this with this stopping up, because this creek bed back here is normally a dry creek bed, so there's lots of sticks and leaves in there and they just get swept down. There's a lot of drainage comes through that. Matter of fact, our pond filled up in one night when we first had it dug. So it comes through there really fast. That's just one of the problems that we have with that. So like and subscribe to this video if you would. It helps us. We're shooting for 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and so we can get monetized, and you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So watch this, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the video, and we appreciate you so much tuning in with us. And right here on Faith Farm, we're still keeping the faith. Stay with us, we'll bring more videos.